Hello, everyone. I hope that you are fine. Thank you for giving me this chance to watch my video. This video is summarizing the reasons and objectives of our education programs, especially for fresh graduated and the professionals who are seeking to develop their skills in the IT security field. The main problem for fresh graduates and people who are considered as new in the IT security field that they are not find a suitable chance for job hiring. Because usually when you are submit your CV for any company, they are looking for experience. And this is fair because people, they are looking for the engineers who will be able to do the work and close the projects. They don't have the time to train the people or give them some time till they will be able to handle the projects. How we can help you as IT certificates in finding the job and to have a good chance to be hired, although you don't have the practical experience yet. Just I want to highlight a very important point here that the experience, it's not only the working years in any company. It can be through certifications, it can be through courses, it can be through exams. There are a lot of methods where you can gain the experience. What we are doing now that we arranged a security education program for the beginners. This course, it will help the new or fresh graduated people to understand the security and achieve some certificates, which it will be a good approach and equal to the experience to be hired in the IT security field in the market. In our program, we are teaching 3 courses. The first course, it is a security basics and principles. This course, it will highlight all the security most popular expressions, the basics, the fundamentals for the security in a very simple, plain English language. We will have a quiz or exam after you attend the course, and based on your results in the exam, you will achieve an attendance certification from IT certificates. The other course, it is the CompTIA Security Plus course. This is international course. It is not from IT certificates, but the training material is developed by IT certificate subject matter experts, and it is not related to the official courses of CompTIA Security Plus, but it will cover most of the topics of the course outline of Security Plus. This, it will help you and to pass the exam or the original certification exam of CompTIA. Yes, you will be certified in CompTIA Security Plus International Certification. When you will attend the course with us, and of course we will give you the materials, we will give you the right resources, sample exams, and so on. You will go to the training center, which is authorized to conduct the CompTIA exams, and you will pass the Security Plus exam. And after you pass the exam, you will receive your certification from the CompTIA. Then this means that it's international certification from CompTIA for Security Plus. Finally, we will have another course which is called CISSB. CISSB, gentlemen, it is a very important course. Although I know very well that this is considered as advanced course, it is not considered for beginners, but I consider this course is very important because it will summarize all the IT security domains for the trainees. They will understand the security domains in a proper way. Network security, application security, disaster recovery, physical security, and so on. Then you will have the understanding of the different security fields to choose what you are interested in. Because people, they have a wrong impression about the security. We are thinking that if I want to work as security, this is called security. But what is security? Security, we have more than 10 or maybe 15 security rules. It can be ethical hacker. You can be security architect. You can be security designer. You can be security administrator. You can be SOC. We have a lot of codes. Then, based on the CISSB 10 domains, which we will make a tailored course to give you the important information out of it, when we call it as CISSB for beginners instead of the original course from the ISC Square, we will give you a very basic information to understand the concepts and to choose what are you interested in and in which domains. After we pass or after we finish the course, IT certificates, it will conduct an exam. And based on the results of this exam, we will issue the attendance certification. After we finish all these three courses, now we will have one-to-one meeting with all the trainees to choose or to help them to choose what are the security rules which we have to continue in based on their skills and interest. And of course, market demands as well. Then, for example, one of the trainee who will say, wow, I like the network security very much. I like the firewalls, IBS, IDB, and so on. Then that's great. Then this it will be your specialization. And you can be specialized in this field by taking additional courses, advanced courses, certifications, and so on. These exams and certifications, it may be available with IT certificates, or it may be available with other training centers. And in these cases, we will advise you which training center you have to attend these courses with and how you can pass these certifications. Then this means that the last step in your program that we will develop a plan for your next step, how to continue in IT security field in a professional way to reach to the level of the consultancy level after some time, after 1, 2, 3 years. It depends upon your experience and your interest. This is the summary for our security education program. And also you will find that we create a data sheet for our security education program. If you are interested in receiving this data sheet, I will be very happy to send it to you. It covers all the courses which you will study, the certifications, the exams, the training materials, also the cost for each, for all the program. Then you will find timing, dates, everything, period. By the way, the program, it will be 7 months period. You will find full details about the course in this data sheet. And of course, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number or through my email. You are most welcome. If you have any clarifications or any questions, I will be very happy to answer all your questions. Thank you very much. And I wish you bright future, and I hope that we will have our fingerprint in developing your skills and find the good job opportunities. Thank you. See you.